ವಿಜಯ್ ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದ ಅವ್ರ ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದ ಸರ್ ಭೇಟಿಗೆ?
See, Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, from his office there was a request for my Chief Secretary that Honorable Chief Minister desired to come and meet us, discuss various issues. We have accepted that. So on 3rd we fixed the date, and today after these court orders from the CWC and MA and what it, and I could see that the atmosphere is not right this point of time. So I am appealing him that let us postpone the visit for some time, because we should have a very cordial atmosphere. I want both the states to be benefited out of it. I don't want any heartburn feelings within both of us, because whatever the water problem should be benefited for both of us. It all depends upon the rain god which has to shower. And Tamil Nadu is also, they are also our farmers. Karnataka also are our farmers. We are a country, and the Supreme Court has already given a clear direction, judgment. Even the Parliament also, the central government has come out with its own opinion as per the law. So in that, the Mekedatu, whatever the reserve is more beneficial to Tamil Nadu than us. I think today some media, English media also has commented on that. It is more beneficial for Tamil Nadu, except the power for us. We can't use that water balancing reservoir. We are bound to implement the Supreme Court order as per the decision taken earlier. That is the direction of the Supreme Court order. So we don't want to disobey any order, but it is my bound duty to keep my political parties, opposition parties. They have been cooperating with us. They are helping us. We may have difference of political aspirations and opinions, but ultimately they are helping us in the larger interest of the state. So we will take them into confidence. Day after tomorrow we are meeting them. In the meantime, I am requesting the Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu to defer our meeting for a little bit while, to have a meeting at a very cool, calm, cordial atmosphere in the best interest of both the states. We are ready to exchange our thoughts, views, and work together for the betterment of both states.
Sir, there are two things. One is what is the Karnataka stand as far as water is concerned. Another one is, sir, some of the organizations called for the Bandh on 13th.
I am appealing to all the organizations. We are there to fight for the state. We will protect the interest of the state. We have to respect the law of this country. We have to respect the sentiments of the people. Organizations, there are various Supreme Court judgments, High Court judgments on the Bandh. It should not hamper the common man's interest. That is important. We are there to protect your interest better than the Bandhs will not solve the problem of any state. It will be only a paper news or so. Let us not affect the common man interest at a large.
What is the